The Panthers on Friday revealed that they painstakingly wrote out the opening stanza of lyrics. As it was not revealed, so it was not unveiled to anyone. That is, the lyrics were unfamiliar to everyone. So choice B is an incorrect answer which is unable to fit the blank. The meticulous or painstaking work is wise enough to have a clear vision. It cannot be aberrant or despicable, and it is not equivocal or ambiguous anyhow. Choice A and choice D, thus eliminated. The opening stanza of lyrics can be complement to lyrics or songs, but not to everyone, so choice E is a wrong opinion to choose, and we can eliminate choice E. So the correct answer is choice C, which can fit the blank to make a proper sense.